Hey friends, this is Atif Opier well and welcome to the update on Scale Network. In my earlier videos, I've been showing you that the price of Scale Network broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it was rejected by another quite long-term down trend line resistance. And this was my last video that I shared almost 4 days ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, and this was the channel that I was showing you, you can see that for several weeks of months, price line has been moving inside this channel. After the breakout, we had a nice short pump. But the price line is rejected by this downtrend and resistance. That is a quite long-term downtrend and resistance. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, and on this long-term time frame, you can see that this resistance is coming from the month of August 2021. We got several rejections here, and almost got another rejection here. Then we got few more rejections here, and this is the most recent rejection. Almost three rejections we have here, and now price line has broken down two very significant support levels. One was at 7 cents. That was previously working as support here, resistance here. And now we have recently broken down this very significant support of 5.5 cents as well. That was recently working as a resistance here, and resistance here. And now again, it can work. In fact, it is flipped into a resistance after the breakdown. You can see that the price line slightly moved up, tried to break out this resistance of 5.5 cents, but got rejected. And now it is moving towards the next support of 3 cents. And by the way, this 3 cents is also quite long-term support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SNT. You just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 6th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Scale Network. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, since after the month of March 2024, it has been moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, stable ejections here, rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here. Then we got few more rejections. Like we got rejection here, another rejection here. Finally, after the breakout, the price line retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. But again, it got rejected by this long-term downtrend and resistance. And that is by the way coming from 2021. If we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this downtrend and resistance is coming from the month of August 2021. We got several ejections here, almost got another rejection here, and several more rejections here. And now recently the price is once again rejected. And now we are moving towards the next long-term support of 3 cents that had been previously working as support here. For that, for several weeks, a month, it had been working as a resistance here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. The price line of Scale Network. Almost at the same time, it can also retest the previous resistance of the channel as a support as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 13 cents. And if the price line reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term downtrend and resistance as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of this channel. That will be somewhere between $1.30 to $1.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.